That's Penny and Susie, all in the same crate, playing with the puppies. And Penny just made me cry because she's taking care of these babies. She's very interested in these babies. You lost your babies, didn't you, sweetie? Are they here for you to play with now and have a little bit of fun with? But you can't play after tomorrow when you start your heart treatment. Oh, oh God, I get so tired of crying sometimes. I really do. Gotta be happy. Little puppies are alive. They're playing with their mommy. And she's teaching them how to be good girls. Susie's playing with her baby. And you big beautiful woman. Hi, sweetheart. Oh my God, I love you. I love you. You look better, see? It's your babies.